passive voice. That is our topic. And in that, we are discussing particularly about which one? Simple tense. Okay. So in simple tense, you have three forms, no? Past tense, then present tense, and future tense. Simple past, simple present, and simple future. So in this, we have discussed about affirmative sentence, that is positive sentence. Then we have discussed about, children, your negative sentence, how to change a negative sentence in simple tense to passive voice, that we have seen. Then interrogative sentence, a sentence which asks the question, right? So about these three things we have discussed in our previous video class, and I have given you some homework, right? So many of you may have got some doubts. Let us discuss one by one. We will take Abhiram's doubt first. Is that okay? Yes, Abhiram. Now can you tell me your doubt? Tell me the question about which you have doubt.
Mataji, third question, read a book.
Loudly. Third question. Read the question, Marie.
Read a book.
Read a book. It is not a question. Read a book is not a question. Okay. So
changing into simple future.
Changing into simple future. Okay. So what is that? I do not, affirmative sentence. I read a book, no? What is the question there? I read a book is our question, no? I read a book or I read the book. No? So Abhiram, how will you write this one in simple future tense? You tell me that. How will you write this in simple future tense?
Machi, I wrote, but I don't know that is correct or not.
It's okay. Whatever.
A book. The book. A book will be read by me.
Yes. Okay. So first let us write this sentence in simple future, in active voice itself, Abhiram. So change this sentence to simple future in active voice. Afterwards we will write it in passive voice.
A book changing to
simple tense, future simple. Simple future.
Simple future. I will read a book. I will read a book.
I will read a book. Okay. I will read a book. So now, how to change? Whatever answer you have written, no, that is correct. So this I, it is the subject here, and a book is the object here. So object will become subject. That is why it happens. It is written like this. A book. Okay. So you have here will. But what you have to add in passive voice, you have to add be form of helping verb, no? And in future tense, we have to use be form of helping verb in its original form, right? So a book will be, then V3 form of read is read itself, right? Read, read, read. Okay. A book will be read by me. Abhiram's answer is correct. Okay. Yes. Now, is the board visible to you, children? Whatever I write on the board, no, is it visible? Raise your hands and tell me your answer. Vaishnavi?
Yes, Mataji.
Is it visible?
Yes, Mataji. It is visible.
What about this active voice and passive voice? So all these things are visible, no, Vaishnavi, clearly?
Mataji. Everything is visible.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Yes, mute yourself. Then who else have doubt about yesterday's questions? You can ask. We will discuss it. Who else have doubt? Interrogative sentence also. Who else have doubt? Please ask. Shri Krishna. Okay, very nice. Shri Krishna, what doubt you have, Marie?
No doubt.
No doubts? Okay, thank you. Tanvi, do you have any doubt? Tanvi, you have raised your hand. Do you have any doubt, Tanvi? Okay, we cannot hear Tanvi. Okay, let us move on to the next question. So, does Manu break the record? Okay, does Manu break the record? Does Manu break the record? So, Anudeep.
Yes, Mataji.
So can you identify in which tense is it? Means present tense or future tense or past tense?
Simple future.
Simple future. You think that it is in simple future. See the sentence once again. Observe the sentence once again and tell me. Is it in future tense, Marie? Anudeep, is it in future tense? You think that it is in future tense. Okay. So we'll go to Nandan. Okay. Nandan. Nandan, please speak, Marie. Nandan. So tell me, identify in which tense is this sentence? Nandan. Loudly.
Hello.
Yeah. You're clear. Okay. So ಇದು ಯಾವ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನಂಗೆ. ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯೋ, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯೋ, ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯೋ?
Future.
You think that it is in future tense? Okay. Now, is there Diksha? Shankaran sir is assisting us. Okay. Diksha?
Mataji.
Now, can you tell me, Marie? Nandan and Anudeep, they say that this sentence is in future tense. What do you say, Marie?
Machi, it is in simple present tense.
This is in simple present tense. See, children. Okay, Diksha, very good. How can you say that this is in simple present tense?
Machi, does is there.
Yeah, exactly. With the help of this, you have to find out. Okay. Yeah, Diksha, thank you very much. See, children, one point I want to make very clear for you. Okay, you should have a very clear picture about these tenses. Without knowing tenses, you cannot learn English. Okay, that will be a promise for me. So, this simple tense, it little bit difficult compared to other three forms, maybe continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. That too simple present tense. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು. See, you have do form of helping verb, no children. Do form of helping verb is there. So here, if did comes there, then you should consider that sentence that it is in past tense. If did comes there, okay. Then if do or does comes, okay. So if you find these two words in a sentence, you should understand that sentence is in present tense. For future, simple future, you should either have will or you should have shall. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿರೋದು? So does Manu break the record? See here. So did this not there? Will or shall are not there. So what do you have here? You have does, right? So Manu is third person. Okay, Manu is third person. That is why does. We have to use does. Okay. So if you have do or does in a sentence, then you should consider that sentence. It is there in which form? present tense form. So Anudeep, did you understand now? Anudeep? Anudeep? Did you understand now, Marie? Wait a minute, Anudeep. Don't mute yourself, okay? So, Anudeep, can you write this sentence in simple past tense? Anudeep?
Did Manu break the record?
Yeah, very good. Okay, how you will write this one in simple past tense? Did Manu break the record? Okay, very nice, Anudeep. Okay, now, Nandan. Nandan? Nandan? Nandan, can you speak?
हाँ माताजी.
Now you write this sentence in simple future. Write this sentence in simple future. Wait a minute, children. Wait a minute. Nandan?
Will
Yeah. Will?
Manu break the record?
Yes, very nice. Okay. Will Manu break the record? Okay, I hope you have understood it now. Okay, so does Manu break the record is our question, no? We have written in all the three forms now. Okay, now I want you to give the answer for my question here. So how will we write this sentence, these sentences in passive voice? Okay, yes. Now, is there Chaya Naik?
Yes, Mataji.
Chaya, can you tell me this sentence? Will Manu break the record in passive voice? Will Manu?
Yes.
Yes, tell me your answer, Chaya.
Will the record
Will the record? Will the record?
be
Yeah.
broken by Manu?
Very good. Okay. Will the record be broken by Manu? Is the correct answer. Okay. Yes. Thank you, Chayan. Then next. Does Manu break the record? Does Manu break the record? For this, who will tell me the answer? Anushri. Anushri.
Mataji,
Yes, Marie. Can you tell me the answer for this, Marie? Does Manu break the record?
is the record
Is the record? Yes, continue, Anushri. Is the record? Anushri, can you continue?
broken by Manu?
Is the record broken by Manu? Yes, you are correct. Okay. Is the record broken by Manu? Yes, you are correct now. Now, first one is remaining, no? Did Manu break the record? Okay. So, did Manu break the record? Only this one is remaining. So, if I can get answer from Purnachandra Bhatt, I will be happy. Purnachandra Bhatt?
Was the record broken by Manu?
Very good. Okay. So, was the record broken by Manu? So, this is the correct answer in passive voice form. Okay. So, yes. Now, accept your homework. I'll give you one new question. Okay. In interrogative sentence. Let me see whether you are able to solve it or not. You have got your rough book in your hand, no children? Okay, so take down this question and solve it. Okay, so my question for you is, children, take down. Yes. Where did the teacher See them. Okay. Where did the teacher see them? Is my question. Yes. Now, first you have to write these sentences in other two tenses. Write this sentence. Okay. Write this sentence in other two tenses. Fatafat. I'll give you 1 minute time. Do it fast. Okay. Completed. Completed. Raise your hand. How many of you have completed? I think you know you need little more time. Okay, many of you have completed. Okay, so Preetham. 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 Very nice, Marie. So how will you write this sentence in simple present tense? Preetham?
Mataji.
Yes. How will you write this one in simple present tense?
The teachers see.
Marie, I want you to write it in simple present tense. Same sentence.
Did the
ನಿಂಗೆ ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಮರಿ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳು ಮೊದ್ಲು ಪ್ರೀತಮ್ ನೀ ನಂಗೆ ಯಾವ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟಿದೀಗ ಯಾವ ಟೆನ್ಸ್
Mataji.
ವೇರ್ ಡಿಡ್
Past tense.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಉಂಟು ನೀನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಸರಿ ಉಂಟಪ್ಪ ವೇರ್ ಡಿಡ್ ದ ಟೀಚರ್ ಸಿ ದೆಮ್ ಹೌದಾ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು ಯಾಕೆ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು ಅಂತ ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಪ್ರೀತಮ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಂಗೆ ಅದು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಉಂಟು ಸರಿ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಂಗೆ ಅದು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು ಅಂತ
Mataji question.
ಹೌದು ಇದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ವೇರ್ ಡಿಡ್ ದ ಟೀಚರ್ ಸಿ ದೆಮ್ ಹೌದಾ ಇದು ಇಂಟರೋಗೇಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಹೌದಾ ಇದು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು ಅಂತ ನಿಂಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಂಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಅದು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೀತಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಶ್ರಾವಣಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ ನೋಡುವ ಶ್ರಾವಣಿ 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 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಮರಿ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ ಈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು ನಿಂಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಮರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು ಅಂತ ಶ್ರಾವಣಿ
Mataji, because of did.
ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ಶ್ರಾವಣಿ ಓಕೆ ಸಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಏನುಂಟು ಪ್ರೀತಮ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ವೇರ್ ಡಿಡ್ ದ ಟೀಚರ್ ಸಿ ದೆಮ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಅವರನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಓಕೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಓಕೆ ವೇಟ್ ಅ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ Okay. Shravani, let us continue.
Mataji.
How will you write this sentence in simple tense, Marie? Simple present
Where
tense.
does the teacher see them?
Simple present
Where
tense.
does the teacher see them?
Very good. Where does the teacher see them is the correct answer. Okay. Very nice. Now, one more. Okay. Now, Sambrama. Sambrama, Shravani, thank you very much. Your answer is correct. Sambrama, can you speak? Sambrama, can you speak? Sambrama? Okay. Sambrama? Okay, if Sambrama cannot speak, let us get the answer from Preetham. Again, we'll go to Preetham. Preetham? Now future. Simple future. How will you write this in simple future?
Simple future. Where?
Where? You're right. Where? Where?
Where did they see them?
Where the teacher, okay,
Them.
see them. Which word is missing here, Preetham? So fill in the blanks for simple future. Preetham.
Do.
No, Marie, do. ಅದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಟೀಚರ್ ಬದಲಿಗೆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕ, ಹೌದಾ? ಅವಾಗ ನಿಂಗೆ ಡೂ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನೋಡು, ಐ ಗೋ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ಐ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ವಿಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಶೆಲ್ ಹೇಳೋದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟರ್ ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ, ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹಾಕುವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀತಾ? ವೇ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹಾಕುವ? ವೇ. ಎಸ್. ನೌ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ವೇ.
Where?
ವೇ ವಿಲ್, ಹೌದಾ?
Where will the teacher see them?
Yes, where will the teacher see them? Now, I want you to tell me the answer. Tell these sentences in a passive voice. Now, first chance goes to Aryan. Aryan?
Mataji.
Yes. Write this sentence in passive voice. Where did the teacher see them?
You don't know.
Don't know. Okay. Who knows the answer? Who knows the answer for this? Raise your hand. How many of you have done this? Okay, Shreya. Shreya. Tell me, how will you write this sentence?
Where was
Where was
they seen by the teacher?
where was they seen by the teacher? Okay, so you have made a small mistake, Shreya. Very silly mistake you have made. If I tell you the answer, you'll feel very sorry. Okay, check and tell me, where was they seen by the teacher? You have told, no?
Mataji was.
Yes, was is wrong. Yes.
Were.
What is the correct answer here? Were, alwa? Were, where were they seen by the teacher? Okay. So, where were they? See, them, them, it will become the subject, no? So when it becomes the subject, becomes they. They, it is plural. That is why you should use this plural past tense form. That is were. Okay. Now Shreya's answer is correct. So meeting will end now. Within 2 to 3 minutes, meeting will end. Rejoin the meeting with the same link. Okay. Rejoin the meeting with the same link. End the meeting and rejoin.